Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah from Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 3rd February 2022. In the international market, US bond traders are awaiting employment data. US 10-year closed at 178 and 30-year closed at 2.11 percentage points on Tuesday. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $89.02 per barrel. Short-term range for crude is 88 to 92. In the currency market, dollar index DXY is at 96.02. Today's range for dollar index 95.92 to 96.42. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is still at 636 and Chinese New Year holidays have kicked in. USD INR with a low of 75.02 closed at 74.83, support at 74.60 with a resistance of 75.10 does exist for today. In the domestic market, short positions were created and traders dumped their holdings in view of the larger than expected borrowing program for FY23. It's not the borrowing program, but the lack of clarity and visibility on RBI's support which is hurting bond yields more. 563 2026 closed at 607 versus 599 the previous day. Yields are up by 8 basis points for a 5-year paper. 610 2031 closed at 691 versus 684. Yields up by 7 basis points for a 10-year paper. 667 2035 closed at 731 versus 726. Yields are up by 5 basis points for a 14-year paper. Trading strategy. Now it seems the market has consolidated finally. You can look at building the HFT positions for 14-year and 10-year segment at 731 and 691 yields respectively. But do keep in mind the upcoming MPC from 7th to 9th February. Hence, go in for 14 and 10-year segment only for HFT trading, and you have to square off. I repeat, you have to square off the positions before the MPC. 10-year SDL should now trade near 740, 745, which is again attractive for HTM holding. Look at the 5-year gilt auction tomorrow, and let's all wait for RBI's action. Strategic call. 574 2026 was recommended at 606 near 9865. 574 2026 is now at 622, and now we recommend to add one more lot and average, which we had been waiting. The average should now yield 614 and we would hold for more. Trading range 610 2031 at 684 to 694. Important note, are you stuck with 577 and 579 2030? It's time to average them out and take early exits. Speak to our fixed income head, Mr. Pawan Somani, for the strategy. That's it for today. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.